Hi guys, welcome back.
Today
I am going to be doing TM millimeters to vid if I can fit it in. If not, please don't hate. Also guys, please stop hating on me, I don't like it. Just be see my sis commented something and leaked my email. If you are only here for the hate, no, just know I don't like it how everyone hates. Just be see I'm young. I have been anxious since it started. And can you just stop? BTW sub to my friend, also repost of the missing sound. I think it's Holly OMG. Also guys, sub to my GF Rebel, Cassidy. And by next vid TM murder mystery too.